Well, it's Friday, and that means Mitsubishi Compressor replacement day. So this wall doesn't come out of this. The new compressor sweats in here and here. But if you unsweat this here, this is blocking the compressor from coming out. So what we're going to do is we're just going to cut it here, coupling that back, and then we pull this out and the compressor will come right out. So we've already got it recovered, so let's get this thing changed out. Come on, we had to turn that where it's sideways, or that pointed into the angle. On that. Get to see a filter dryer in one of these things, unless it's some kind of strainer back in there somewhere. That's probably it right there, more than likely. Yeah, but now that might be, hold on, that might be a muffler back there, because it's coming right off the discharge and then looping back up. So trying to cut my hands up over here. Okay. Alright, that'll work. We probably have to cut a little bit more off of it when we get it out, just to make sure that coupling is not like that. Okay. Let's grab the torches. So oxygen doesn't light, does it? Let's hope there's not a bunch of stuff in here that's going to come flying out of this thing. Stick a torch down in it if you want to. Go ahead and break it free. Now, get this other little small one out. Where's your lighter at? There it is. Yeah, that's what I was. Yeah, there we go. Damn. That one goes in there kind of deep. Alright. Oh. Get this thing braced in real quick. I'd get a better view if you were behind me. I'm not really concerned with what it looks like as long as it's not leaking. I am good to go. Alrighty. Alright, well, we got the compressor in. Maybe I can get a little bit lower, but we're down to 395, 394. We'll do it about another minute, see if I can reach 200, but about to get this thing charged up and see if this compressor works. It should. The original issue was it would try to start, and it would shut down, and then we'll check the amp draw on it. Each time it would start, it was shooting up to about 14.5 amps trying to start. And LRA on this thing is like 16 amps. We got a flashlight. So where are we at? Amp draw on this thing. LRA is 16.1, and it was pulling about 14.5. It shouldn't pull but a few amps when it tries to start. So I did confirm that once again with tech support. Cross my fingers again and hope that they're right. But anyway, got the compressor in. I did go ahead and redo one of these fittings over here. It was leaking, there was some oil there, so I reflared that, put that back on, got it done. Torque wrench, it's not leaking. Pressure tested it at 250 psi, let it sit for 25 minutes. It didn't drop a single psi, so I think we're airtight. And we'll get the refrigerant in this thing in a minute and get it running. Nice cold air blowing in here. Compressor is operational. The more you work on these things, the more you get accustomed to them, but I'd really rather not work on them. But it's a necessary evil. Little wood shop, working shop that he works out of. All right, and we have success. This thing holds 4 pounds 3 ounces. Usually it holds less than that, but anyway, it's running, it's working. That air's getting warm, and this does the garage back here. He's got it finished in. He uses it for a woodworking shop. Bunch of tools and equipment in there, but compressor replacement successful in a Mitsubishi mini split. You gotta love them, guys. Anyway, thanks for watching. Like, subscribe.